Good morning. Lockpicking. Lockpicking is a hobby of mine. This morning I'd like to show you how to open a lock without the use of a key. Here we have a standard padlock, Alba N50. Quite a strong lock. It's locked. We have the keys here. I'll open it with the key first. Opened, closed. Keys. Okay, we shall open it using a lockpick from the Go-So lockpicking kit that I have here. We have various different picks here. We have wrenches. Some of them came with the set, some of them I made myself using old car washer pieces of metal that's on the end of the wishering for wiping your windows. So let's open the lock. Take out standard pick, and we shall use, I think we'll use the wrench that I made from the car washer, carb blade washer. Okay, we'll use that. First of all, we'll take the lock. Inside the lock there's a series of pins, and our objective is to open the pins, drop the pins and open the lock. With a key it's very simple. Insert the key, turn it, away you go. We'll be using this wrench and a lockpick. The first thing you have to do is insert the wrench like this, so as we can open the lock afterwards. Insert the wrench. Okay, and then we'll take the lock pick. I'm using a pick like this. We insert the pick to the lock. Feel around for the pins. You can see that we have this inside. I have some pressure on this, not too much. Feel around for the pins. Voila! The lock is opened. Here's the keys. To close it, we'll just insert the lock again and turn it. Take out the pick. Locked. Opening a lock without a key. This is against the law. So if you're opening any locks without a key, make sure it's your own lock or you have permission to open it. Thanks for watching.